Hello guys, welcome to the first video of AWS Architecture playlist where we will see how to create an IAM user. So IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. It is a global service of AWS where we create a user to use AWS service depending upon their groups and permission. Root account is a default account which I am using right now. The best practice is you shouldn't share your root account with other. Instead, create an IAM user with permission and share to others. You can group your users so that it will become easy to give permissions. Let's take an example. Now, let's say if an organization has 6 people. In developer groups, there is Goku, Vegeta, and Grillian. They have given some sort of permissions. And in operation group, we have Yamcha and Bulma. They have also given some sort of permission. And Roshi is not in any group. Now in testing team, we have Vegeta and Bulma is also there. So Bulma and Vegeta will give in permission for testing team as well as their own group. Just keep in mind that one group cannot be created inside another group. Group will be individual, but their member can be different. The member can be in different groups. Now let's start by creating an IAM user. So search for IAM. Now click on users, and as you can see here, I have created 2 users. Let's create a new one. Enter username. Then we have to provide the access to the AWS console. So here I want to create an IAM user. Now we have to provide a password. So I will click on custom password. If you want to auto generate, you can do that also. Let's create one password. Now I will uncheck this because I don't want to create a new password and next sign in. But if you want to create, if you are creating for other user, I recommend you to do that. Password must have some numeric and special character. Let's do it. Now click on next. Here, group, you can see I have created one group. Let me create a new one. Group name will be operational. And I will give a permission for EC2. Let's keep EC2 read only access. Yeah. Now click on create user. Now click on next. And here you can give the tag for the group, but it is optional. Now click on create user. So the user is created and I will download the CSV file. If you want, you can share the credentials to the user. Now let's go to user group and let's check the permission. Yeah, so permission is there, and let's add the user. So here you can see I have added one user, and if I just click on that user, I'll just redirect to the same page, and here you can see the permissions that I have given to that user, the group. So let's go to dashboard, and if you want, you can change the alias name as well. So right now it's Prinsa. Let me rename to Dexter, and save change. So basically, alias, what alias name will do is it's give you the URL, and you can customize that URL for particular users or group. Now, what I will do is I will just create one tab in incognito mode and copy paste the credential that I have just created. So it will just open the sign in page, and here I have to provide the username, and the username is Dexter, and I will type the password. Now you can see that we have logged in IAM account. Let me check here. Yes, this one is IAM account and IAM user is Dexter, and here this one is root account. So in root account, if I go to EC2 and click on EC2, you can see here my running instances and all. And let me just try to create one instance in IAM user account. So yeah, click on running instances. There is no running instances. Let me create one. So I will just give instance name, and then just select any OS and keep your what I will do is, okay, for this time just select not no needed, keep here, and launch instance. So now you can see here instance launch failed. It's because we do not have any permissions to create an instance. I have given the permissions to read only access. If you can see here, let me go to user group, operational, and in permission, you can see here this one. I have just given only read only access. So if any IAM user try to create any instance, they can't do that. So just click on cancel, and yeah. So that's it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep learning, keep coding, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.